Hello everyone, welcome to Real Mount channel. In this video I'm gonna share you how to make the gold ornament. You notice that this software is Blender open source software, and I'm using the eevee render engine, the default eevee render engine, and it is the real-time render engine, and it's very fast. For make a model I'm using Cinema 4D, and to make a good UV unwrap we shall use the rhizome UV, and for make displacement or displacement or height map and normal map we will use a substance painter. And for rendering we used here the Blender open source software and render engine eevee. So this video will be very helpful to you because this is the new technique for everyone. So now I'm at the sphere. Make sphere 32 and press Alt click to rotate and press here to make this mesh editable, and go to the vertex selected mode, go to the font view, select box selected or press 0. This is the box selected, and there is a light selected, rectangular selected, or you can say the box selected. Select here, Alt, press middle mouse, and with the press of Shift select here and delete. Sphere, rename the sphere ornament design. Click it here. This is the UV map. This is the default UV map. Hide this UV workspace. Click with middle mouse button. This is the rhizome UV to make a good UV. Click it here. Automatically rhizome, actually the rhizome UV, the plugin of Cinema 4D. You can download it from the net, and I'm using here this software for educational purpose, not for commercial purpose. So this is the UV rhizome UV. The rhizome UV. First select, press Alt, right click to move or to rotate. To move, Alt middle mouse button, first off, and select everything, press Ctrl A and click it here to deactivate the mark seam. To clear seam click it here. So to make a seam, to make a good quality, to good UV unwrap, first make a seam. Or to make a seam, click it here. It is the vertex selected option. This is the primitive mode and this is the face mode. First select it here, double click here, double click here, shift, double click here, and double click here, and press here to make seam. Press here to make seam, and again double click, and press here to make seam, or you can use the shortcut C. Press the face selected tools, select all, or press Ctrl plus A, and press here, it is the unwrap. Press Alt plus middle mouse to move, and first press Alt plus right click to make it, to make this. This is the you notice this UV is curved. To make it straight or to make it horizontal, click here, press this one and make it horizontal, and again press to make it straight horizontal. Press here. This is my last part. 1, 2, 3, 4 part. There are 4 parts in this object, and press here to make it horizontal. This is the checker box. You noticed the checker box, or the number checker box make to rotate. To rotate this texture, click 180 degree. Again, this texture align is okay, this align is all is okay. You are seeing the texture of all number is are not same, because it's the more big, it is the small, then it's medium, then this texture number is big, and this texture size is medium. To make the all texture size same, first click this one, click it here to pick, and select here, or transform tool, make it separate, and select click to set. You notice that all UV texture size will be at the same. So make it shift to chair, select all and align to and it is a transform tool. Press Alt middle mouse button, scroll to zoom, so this is the good UV unwrap. So the UV unwrapped is finished. Just click it here. It is safe and automatically closed, and you can see, click here on middle mouse button. This is my new UV, good horizontal base UV unwrap. Now I'm going to export this object in APX. In APX file, export it there. This object in APX, everything okay. And sphere APX, sphere 1 APX, okay. And click on Substance Painter. Now I'm going to show you how to make a good normal map or height map. To do this, here the grayscale image here. These are all the grayscale images. This is the smart material. Seeing this all smart material. This is normal material. To import this APX object here, click on the file menu. Click it on new, select the directory desktop, open APX, change the document resolution 2K, DirectX, because the system has a 1070 graphics card. Okay. Press Alt plus middle mouse to move the. This is the default workspace of Substance Painter. This is not a free, this is a premium. And go to the layer, and the default is, the layer is for painting. This layer is for a painting, but we would not use this layer as a painting. So Ctrl C and select this layer and remove layers, or you can press the delete button. First I'm using here a brush, pure brush, so you can see how the mesh is looking. First add a gold, then go to the project and alpha, and now select the fill layer, and for this layer we do not use the color, metal or rough. We used here only, we do need only height map and normal map. And height map, change the setting, set to 1 in height map, and select this layer, right click and add a fill. This is a fill layer, and now we add a black mask, and select the black mask, right click and add a fill, and you can see the grayscale image are available here. And now select the alpha, and use this grayscale image. You can use the grayscale image and change the UV wrapper horizontally and scale it down. Scroll to zoom. Scale it. This is the marking area to fill it. Okay, and now we want to add again the fill and change the mode linear draws. You will see the grayscale image. We used here this grayscale here, and again change the repeat mode to repeat horizontally and scale it down. Scale it up. Because this line is a seam line. Okay. Again, select the black mouse, right click and add a fill, and change the mode to linear toss, and add here this grayscale image, and change the UV wrap to repeat, from repeat to repeat horizontally, and change the scale. Okay, and fix this texture, seamless texture, to make it seamless. Again, select the black mouse, right click and add a fill. Again, change the mode to linear toss, and I'm using here this grayscale image, and change the UV wrap to horizontal, and change the scale it down, so change, replace this texture. Okay, you can change, add anything here. Only. This is the height map or normal map in Substance Painter. I'm using the Substance Painter to make a height map or normal map, and now I'm export it as map. To do this, texture sets panel text set setting and click bake mesh, uncheck wall space ID, ambient occlusion, curvature. We need only normal map, curvature, position and thickness, ambient occlusion position. Click change the resolution 4K and click on bake straight. Click on OK, and now I'm going to export this texture. Change it is as PNG or JPG. I want to export this texture as PNG and change the resolution in 4K 4096 into 4096, and configuration PBR meta from catch. It is the default setting. Roughness, metallic, normal height, scattering, specular and ambient occlusion, and click on the export. Just click on here. Okay, click on here. You can see that is the height map. This is the height map, and this is the normal map. You can use this two texture in any 3D software. So now I am using the Blender to make a shading as a gold ornaments. First shift, you can see what I'm using here. Shift A or Shift S. Shift S. First cursor to world origin, make the cursor to world origin, and now I'm going to import this FBX. Import FBX file, and this is the desktop, the main directory of this object, spare 1. Import, right click here, and change, this is my default eevee. And now I'm going to shading mode. check the bloom, go into shading mode, and go to here, gold plated, and I'm using here the sphere height map or displacement map, and you can see the shading node. This is the shading node. First I'm using here the glossy BSDF. The color is the color of hex value of CF8833 and principal, and this is the default node. You can see the setting of principal BSDF, and this is the texture, color spade, make it the non color. This is the displacement node, change the setting, and this is the output, material output. And I'm using here the HDR texture in environment, in my world, in my environment. This is the light, and click it here to view real-time render. And this technique is very easy. You can change the displacement as 5, scale if you use 10, it's more displacement, 20, more displacement, it's more displacement, but you can see the noise here. Because you see there are no noise here, and you see some noise appear in my shading mode. So I want to end this tutorial here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video and it will be very helpful to you. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.